Constitution Day. Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Imagine if there were no rules and regulations, no law and order followed in schools, institutions, offices, traffic place, or even a country. What would happen? There would be utter chaos and confusion. If we had not to follow any traffic rules, what would happen? There would be chaos and accidents. Therefore, we need a set of rules and regulations guiding us and as well as protecting the rights of the people. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land. It contains a set of rules and regulations, rights and duties guiding the government and the people of our country. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any country on earth with 449 articles, 12 schedules, 25 parts, 5 appendices, and 101 amendments. It includes the best features from around the world, the rule of law from Great Britain, the directive principles of state policy from Ireland, fundamental rights from USA, fundamental duties from Russia, the principles of liberty, equality and fraternity from France, and the amendment of the Constitution from South Africa. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution. He was the chairman of the drafting committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. It took almost 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to complete the drafting of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950. The preamble of the Constitution is an introductory statement of the Constitution of India, highlighting the core values and principles of the nation, intentions of its framers, and the history behind its creation. Let us all read the preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Let us take pride in remembering the Herculean task undertaken by the Indian leaders for giving us the highest law of the land, our Constitution.